All right, what's going on, everybody? Oh, we are going to do a quick video of the car with the upgrades, the drive shaft, the clutch, light and flywheel. We got street tires back on. We're going to go for a drive just to let you hear the car. GT500 mufflers are on. Side pipes are blocked off. And then let's see what you guys think. So, first of all, I want to thank Scott's Garage. They did an excellent job putting this thing together, working on it. They're very meticulous. They took their time, made sure everything was right. So appreciate their efforts. A big shout out to Scotty's Auto. I want to thank my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. And thank you for all your support. So it's great. And I want to apologize for the previous video. A lot of shaking going on. I used my phone. I didn't use my GoPro. And we'll talk a little bit about the car, see how she sounds, see how she feels. So we're going to do a semi-cold start. So we got about 75 miles on the clutch already, and it's grabbing nice. It's working really nice. It's getting a lot smoother. One-piece drive shaft and clutch has made a nice upgrade for the car. I highly recommend it. You do lose a little bit of that refinement from the dual drive shaft and the original clutch. It's a lot smoother as far as starting the car or rolling forward. You can roll out with an idle without giving it any gas. And now it's jerky, kind of like a 60s, 70s muscle car. So again, as you mod your car, you lose a little bit of refinement, but I'm happy with it. I don't drive this car every day, so it works. Different than before, a lot crisper, fresher sounding, and I think since we added the mufflers, that back pressure just gave us a more crisper note. I think we are getting a wrong fuel mixture before. I can describe it as your old carburetor cars when your jets are too fat, you kind of get that plug. It just isn't there, and as you jet it down, you get that nice crisp sound in the engine, and when you get into it, that's what this car has gone back to. So now I'm feeling, as I've been describing all along this thrill ride, pulling first, second, third gear, it's phenomenal. The car is wicked. Just second gear, if you're just cruising along and you punch it, you just break them tires loose like crazy. I'll give you a quick example of that. Alright, we're going down second gear. Traction control is on. We're going 20, 30. Naturally aspirated car, man. Wow. Anyways, it's crazy. Super excited about these mods. Incredible. The car's incredible. I cannot believe what these 3L2s pack in them. And just some minor bolt-ons, a good tune, some weight reduction, and rotating your rotating assembly. And man, it's a monster. It is unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, everyone. Thanks, man. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. All is good. Have a great day. Take care.